Away, my people, don't be left out. Learn. Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Deg Beauty. Guys, how many of you remember this style? This 3 minutes simple head wrap. Yes, I decided to bring it back to you again because of my new subscriber, my new followers. In case you have not come across this simple style, my people, this one is very simple. Even though say you be the lowest person wey no sabi dey learn something, this one is too simple. So this head wrap is what I call rose. You can use it for your English outfit and your native outfit. Just divide it 40-60. The 40 is the shortest, the 60 is the longest. Yes, this one don't even need you have to plait and plait. Just concentrate your eye. You see the way I place it on my head? Bring out your hand. You see the way I place it on my head? Then you now bring out your hand outside. You see? Bring out your hand outside like this. Because this video, many people say I put music before, I put sound that they don't understand. Now I decide to use my voice. Even my voice is even better because these days I have copyright on my YouTube and on my Facebook. So you bring out your hand from there, you pull it out, you drag the excess at the 60. You see, this is where I found my thumbnail. As you make sure you stretch your hand so that maybe a tie. In fact, might just break the English down. Maybe a tie for tie. The head wrap. This head wrap is very simple, and this is the trendy one because all those hard style we difficult to tie, round, fan, all those ones, they are very difficult and they are very, it's like if you go to party, everybody is wearing the same style. This one is classic for young and for old. If you want to change your head wrap, yes, and if you want to change your hairstyle wrap, maybe you are used to round. Now you open it wide. You see the way I open it? This is the 60 that is coming from the other side. Just start your folding. See the way I take it from the back? Take it from the back, bring it. What you need is concentration, my people. My people, concentration is what you need. You see, this one, even though the person is 70 years old, if you tie this hairstyle, no excuse. No excuse. You cannot be left out. Not be every time you go to pay money for everything. Learn this hairstyle. I decided to use my voice. These days, in fact, I said it that I will be using my voice. When you get to the end part, you use pin. Once the fabric don't end for there, use pin to pin it down. You see, that is it. That is it. Now you push it up. Before you push it up, use the other hand to support the other side so that everything not loose. My people, try and learn. This is the season of learning. See, very unique. This rose, if you put on for the side, you can place it on the side. You can place it on the middle. However your face look like, where any side you feel is suit your face, place it there. That is it. That is the final. In case you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, you never follow me for my Facebook, Deg Beauty for everywhere. Deg Beauty for Instagram. I am the Deg Beauty. This is my real face. This video, I say let me bring it back to you again. Yes, so contact me for your event. I'm available to travel all over the world. Okay? We do many things. We do makeup. We do different style of gele. Unique gele hairstyle. We do traditional hair. We sell makeup product and we sell oil perfume. My number is there. Contact me. May God give you celebration so that you could remember me. Oh, bye.